An effective education system, a strong healthcare sector, and a modern, responsive, and efficient public service. The building blocks of government's blueprint for human capital development, strategic priority number 4 for fiscal year 2013-2014. When he delivered his call to action in the 2013-2014 sectoral debate, Minister Ronald Thwaites underscored that education was critical for national development. It's a conviction shared by all members of the Portia Simpson Miller-led administration, and teacher quality has been identified as a priority area for action.
This year we will train some 400 teachers to diagnose cognitive, social, and personal challenges among our little children.
In addition to meeting teacher training needs, government is also tackling leadership of educational facilities. Assistance will be given to schools listed as lacking in proper management and administrative capabilities in the recently released National Education Inspectorate report. While teacher quality is addressed, the physical spaces they and their students occupy are also being improved and expanded. As part of that, infant departments will be added to 179 primary schools, and 50 early childhood institutions are being built on the Food for the Poor's Jamaica 50 initiative with the support of the Education Ministry. Developing Jamaica's human capital begins with advancing the condition of individuals to spark national development. Universal literacy is therefore a strategic focus. Several primary school teachers were tapped to participate in summer development sessions so they can in turn deliver more effective literacy and indeed numeracy teaching. A healthy populace is another critical element of government's plan to develop Jamaica's human capital. The highlight of that plan is the development of 4 centers of excellence, health centers that offer more than the ordinary. 3 of the 4, Isaac Barrett, Darlington, and Santa Cruz, are on track for completion by April 2014. Meanwhile,
Cabinet has approved the award of the contract for the renovation of the fort. The Claremont Health Center in St. Anne, and work will begin very soon on that one.
The other levels of the healthcare system are also coming in for attention, including plans to establish a child and adolescent hospital in Western Jamaica and a US $200 million medical facility in St. James. On the policy front, consultations are underway to determine the future of public health financing. In the meantime, the no-user fee policy will remain in place for the 2013-2014 financial year. And Cabinet has approved the introduction of a Government of Jamaica GOJ health card.
The card will facilitate proper systems of monitoring and evaluation and the optimization of service delivery channels for pharmaceuticals.
The number of health professionals in the public health system is also being increased.
It is generally agreed through those consultations that the procurement process is too protracted and contributes to significant delays in the implementation of government projects.
This cannot continue if the country is to achieve national developed status, so a modern, responsive, and efficient public service must be created to support national development. Among other things, customer service is being addressed, the energy footprint of public buildings is being reduced, and the public sector modernization program continues. And to speed up the pace of development projects, Cabinet has issued drafting instructions for the development of a comprehensive public procurement law and regulations.
The present system is managed under the Contractor General's Act and the Financial Administration and Audit Act, FAAA, neither of which offers complete coverage of the multiplicity of issues impacting on the procurement process.
The new act will guide public procurement and bind public institutions to specific standards. Human capital development, driven by educational advancement, effective healthcare, and an efficient public service. bringing the vision of developed country status closer to reality.
Empowerment and facilitation will be the hallmark of the development of our human capital as we go for growth and development and seek to unleash our full potential.